Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have brand registry or seller access, because Amazon Attribution requires verified brand control. Next, enable Attribution inside the advertising console and accept terms. This unlocks tagging. Once done, compile your landing page URLs, campaign names, and conversion goals so you can create consistent tags. Make sure to choose the right attribution window up front. It affects reporting. Now you're ready to generate your first measurement tag and attach it to external ads. Now you create tags for each external creative, social, display, search, because granular tagging gives clearer insights. In the console, pick the conversion metric, set the attribution window, then generate the tag and name it Channel Campaign Ad Version for consistent reporting. Once created, paste the tag URL into the destination field of your ad platform. Test each tagged link using incognito clicks and the console's debug info. This confirms the click-to-conversion flow is captured correctly before scaling spend. Finish by reviewing Amazon attribution reports and comparing tag traffic to baseline performance. You want to see attribution contribution in sales, sessions, and ATROAS. If results are skewed, adjust bids, creative, or landing experience and rerun tests. If tracking fails, first check for broken redirects, make sure the tag parameters survive redirects, and ensure parameter case matches what you generated. Lowercase mismatches break attribution. Finally, tweak the attribution window if you suspect delayed conversions and validate again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.